Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Which country carried out strikes in Gaza, including targeting journalists amid conflict? Israel. How many prisoners were exchanged between Russia and Ukraine as part of a gesture? "146 prisoners each." Which country test-fired new anti-air missiles during drills with the US and South Korea? North Korea. What natural disaster hit southern China's Hainan Island, causing Vietnam evacuations? Typhoon Kajiki. In which African country did the military conduct airstrikes freeing 76 hostages? Nigeria. Tens of thousands marched globally in solidarity with which group amid Gaza crisis? Palestinians. Which country plans increased military deployments in Chicago and Washington, D.C. crackdowns? United States. Which state in India has recently been declared the country's first fully digitally literate state? Kerala. What new program related to fuel blending is significant in India's current energy scenario? Ethanol. Which country recently conducted a major naval exercise named Sustainable Power 1404? Iran. What recent MoU did the Indian Army sign to strengthen connectivity in Arunachal Pradesh? Bharti Airtel. Which former Indian cricket player announced retirement from all forms of cricket? Cheteshwar Pujara. What is the name of the multi-layered air defense system India tested successfully on 25 August 2025? Integrated Air Defense Weapons System, IADWS. Which system did India successfully test that can shoot 3 targets simultaneously? Integrated Air Defense Weapons System. Which former CM of Jharkhand was placed under house arrest amid tribal protests? Champai Soren. How many road accident deaths were reported in India from Jan-July 2025? 26,000 plus. PM Modi announced India's plan to export EVs to how many countries? "100. Who was appointed Deputy National Security Advisor recently? Anish Dayal Singh. Which city's municipal corporation began mapping feeding points for stray dogs after a SC order? Delhi. A drone attack on which Russian nuclear power plant caused fire and damage? Kursk. Which footballer became the first to score 100 goals for 4 different clubs? Cristiano Ronaldo. Which Indian weightlifter made a comeback at the Commonwealth Championships? Mirabai Chanu. Which company postponed its Starship mega rocket launch due to system issues? SpaceX. On 27 August, Donald Trump announced what tariff rate on India? %50. A rave party was busted in which city, leading to 6 arrests? Hyderabad. Ed raids on Saurabh Bharadwaj were called what by AAP? Bid to divert. Potholes in Bangalore rose by what % despite spending 12 crore rupees? %63. Which leader threatened tariffs for countries with digital taxes? Donald Trump. Trump fired Fed's Lisa Cook over what reason? False statements. Which country expelled Iran's envoy over anti-Semitic attacks? Australia. Since 2024, how many people have died in BMTC bus accidents? 80. Israel expressed regret after a strike on which facility? Gaza Hospital. Who launched All India Speakers Conference in Delhi, August 2025? Amit Shah. Which body was asked by SC to frame national policy on stray dogs? Animal Welfare Board. Which country test-fired anti-air missiles in joint drills with US? South Korea. Which 2 Indian Navy ships were recently commissioned? Himgiri and Udagiri. Which country saw evacuations due to a typhoon recently? Vietnam. The US has recently threatened India with additional tariffs. This is mainly in response to India's digital services tax, which global leader announced a 50% tariff on Indian goods effective 27 August 2025. Donald Trump. Tim Cook recently emphasized artificial intelligence as essential for the future. He is the CEO of Apple. GST reform is expected to simplify slabs. The current GST structure in India primarily has how many standard slabs? 4. Recently, the plight of stranded Indian workers was highlighted when 17 migrants were brought back from Cameroon. Recently, Israel expressed regret after an airstrike on a hospital in Gaza. Such actions are often debated under the violation of which international law? Geneva Conventions. Taiwan has been preparing for possible military attack by China. Taiwan is located in which of the following seas? South China Sea. 2 Indian Navy warships in Zuddegiri and in Himgiri were recently commissioned. Warships fall under which naval category? Frigates. The Delhi Metro has recently hiked fares. Which body regulates urban metro projects in India? Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Typhoon made landfall in Vietnam recently. Typhoons are tropical cyclones that occur in which ocean? Pacific Ocean. The Matuya community, often in political news, belongs to which Indian state predominantly? West Bengal. Recently, BMTC buses were reported to have caused 80 deaths since 2024. BMTC operates in which city? Bangalore. Digital service tax has been opposed by the US at global platforms. Which body regulates such global taxation issues? OECD. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.